Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back for hashtag 100 Days of Halloween 2023. What have y'all been up to today? Well, we ran some errands and did some we got some groceries and did door dashing. That's what we did today. We went cruising last night. My daughter and my son-in-law dropped by and wanted to go for a cruise, so they took us cruising around for a while. I don't understand the big deal about cruising, but my daughter wanted to spend time with me, so I will take advantage of that anytime I can. I told you I had something made, but I had it anyway that I was going to show you today. So I had a commission for a scarf. So I will link it. It's a Treu Crochet, I think is his channel. Anyway, it's a basket weave scarf. And it is absolutely beautiful. She wanted fall colors. This is Red Heart Fall. That's the name of the yarn. So it's pretty long. I might add to it because she likes it really long and I still have some of this yarn. But I did also make a headband with the basket weave stitch. I'm in love with this since I made that basket with it. I really like this, and it will be a very warm stitch. So I did an ear warmer to go with this, and I did fingerless gloves, which this is my go-to pattern. This one's from Alt Knots. I will link it down below. This, I just used the basket weave stitch and just made my own. You know, I made a strip and sewed it together. And then, like I said, the tutorial for this to make a scarf from the basket weave stitch, I will link it down below. So very pretty. I hope she's gonna like it. She ordered some other stuff too, but I'm pretty proud of this whole set. I personally am in love with this, and I think I need a set with this yarn. I think so. Methinks I do. So let's see what movie we're gonna watch tonight. Wonder. It's called Cell, and it's on Tubi. Cell, C-E-L-L. I will put that in the description box so you, in case you forget after you watch the video, you can always look back on the description box and not have to watch the video all over again, unless you want to, and then you're welcome to watch it again. I mean, you know, whatever floats your boat. But I try to make it easier for you. Last night's movie was Piranha, and I loved it. It was that 1970s Jaws kind of feel, like you don't know where they are, but you know they're coming for you kind of thing. Yeah, I enjoyed it. Like, I'll watch it again gladly. It was just one of those 1970s horror movies that it was epic as far as I'm concerned. I had never watched it, but quite a few people said they had already watched it back in the day. That was one I don't remember watching. It does have nudity. You know, the tatas got to come out in the 70s movies. Just saying. Gotta let the tatas free in those movies. And then it took me about halfway through the movie to realize that the one girl, she played in Halloween, in the original Halloween. And she let her tatas out there too, so she must like freeing the ladies often. So anyway, okay, I'll quit being dorky. Got a little bit of a migraine, and I'm gonna let y'all go. I will be back tomorrow. Stay spooky and keep watching, and please comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff that I'm supposed to tell y'all that I never remember to. I just love the comments. The other stuff, you know, I'd be great if you liked it, and it makes me feel good, but the comments are the ones where I get to know you guys through comments, and I love that. I do read all of them. Sometimes I just heart them because I really don't know what to say back to it or whatever. But I want you to know I saw it. If I ever don't heart one, it just means I missed it somehow. Because YouTube does not always show us all of our comments all the time. So, yeah. And now I'll end this. Like I said, stay spooky, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.